make it flip. I got a stack, yeah, go ahead and make it flip. And I got a bad bitch, yeah, you know I think it. Hold up. I got a stack, yeah, you know that. I got a stack, yeah, you know that I make it flip. And I got a bad bitch, yeah, she know how to take the dick. We don't do no average, yeah, we don't do no basic shit. Cause I got a bag, bitch, yeah, you know that we taking trips. I got a stack, yeah.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows today because I have some requests of eyebrows. So we're going to start with our spoolie, and we're gonna just brush up. Honestly, I do my own eyebrows as far as like literally tweezing shit. I use my electric razor and clean it up, whatever I need to do. That's what I do on my own. And you see? Okay. So then I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this color is Granite. My bad, guys. I don't know if this is too far, but Granite and dark brown. And I use two colors because I like to do like an ombre effect. So I'll start off with like the dark brown in the front, and then I'll go into the granite because we want to have natural eyebrows. But sometimes, guys, yes, I will do all granite. But for beginners, I would say use this method so the front isn't so harsh, I should say. Because when I first learned how to do eyebrows, I was heavy-handed, and I was like, ooh, you know, really, no. In this, hold on, guys, trying to clean my brush. With this method, yeah, you need to have light feathered strokes. You need to do light feathered strokes, you're going to see them. So we're going to go in with our dip brow. And we're just gonna, you know, you don't need a lot on your brush, honestly. Little couple strokes. Little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna use my mirror over here because I can't use this mirror. See, guys, light strokes. You can see already how it's coming in, right? Okay. And guys, whatever you like, if you feel like you made a mistake, honestly, just leave it. Concealer is going to clean up all of that. You don't have to worry about that. So we're just going to, you know, I line the bottom first. And you can go follow. Okay, you see that light shade? I don't know. It's really light under your eyebrow. See, like I could see that right there. See that how light that is? Literally just follow with your brush. So you're gonna do that, and you're gonna go up like this first, up into your arch, and then after that you're gonna come down. I'm not gonna do it yet, but I'm just telling you guys what to do, and then you go like this down. But I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna make my strokes. You wanna make hair-like strokes, so you're gonna do up. Oh, just to fill it in. And you're going to see like the difference between one eyebrow and the other eyebrow. This is my bigger eyebrow. So we're going to, one always comes out better than the other. I'm a perfectionist, so I tend to try to make both of them look perfect. Very identical. It's not happening, okay? I learned that. Make them sisters, identical try to make them identical scissors like this, whatever. Maybe that's not what I'm supposed to be saying. So you're gonna go along the top, you see? And you're just gonna go in at an angle because we're copying. We're following how our eyebrow is shaped. Or even if you want to, and you want to create your own, like, your own eyebrow shape, there you go. Just you can, I'm going to show you 2 ways. So that's how I do it for this way. And another way you can do it on this eyebrow is brush everything down, like down out your way, and make the line that you need to, and then brush everything up. That's another way you can do it too. I've done my eyebrows so much ways just to see what works best for me.
Now we're going to go in with the granite, and we're just going to start on our arch. You can start with the granite, but for beginners, use the dark brown just because you don't want it to come off. You don't want it to come off like check marks when you use the granite. You could be heavy-handed and things could end up looking crazy. So we just start with the dark brown and go with the granite. And then when you get better with it, then you can go in with the granite and do light strokes. We're just going to continue to use that granite and bring it along the top of your eyebrow just so we can have everything blended and it's not just brown into granite. We're just bringing it all in, blending, guys, blending, making sure everything is good, and continue to fix that arch along the way if you still need to. Y'all see my dimple? Ooh, they coming in. People always trying to find like they don't see it, but it's there. So I use this brush and I just make sure that everything is lined up in the front. You're gonna see me throughout the whole video like measure everything. That's what I do. I don't know if people really do that, but that's just what I do because like I said, I'm a perfectionist and I want things to look perfect. Like I will continue and continue and continue, guys. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You see what I'm saying? One eyebrow is bigger than the other, and one always comes out better than the other. Here, now you see me trying to make sure they are sisters and not identical, because you can spend a lot of time like really trying to make it look the same and you will be here for a while.
So guys, these are my finished brows. If I was going to just do makeup, honestly, I would just start, because I really don't feel like I need to clean it up with concealer, but let's go ahead and clean it up with the concealer. So I'm really trying to go back and forth and think if I want to use my Juvia's Place concealer or do I just want to use my LA Pro Girl. You know, remember I told y'all guys last video, it's running out. Don't judge me. But matter of fact, I'm just going to use it since we're doing this video. So after this, we just want to use the concealer, blend it. Oh wow! And blend it out, and then go from there. Oh guys, yeah, still don't remember. Where is my flat brush? Is the question. I cannot find my flat brush. Okay guys, I can't find my flat brush. So I am going to I cannot find my flat brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this. I just cleaned it off. This is the same brush I just used for my eyebrows. I can't find my other brush that I use right now. Remember, this is our Pro Concealer LA Girl High Definition Concealer in the color Toffee. 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 Look at me, guys. I have to, you see I have to squeeze this to get some shit out of this? I am determined. We're gonna use every bit of this, even though it's shit. Listen, we're just gonna use every bit of this. Okay, yep, got some up. Can I just stick my brush in there? Guys, I know y'all have done this before. This is my first time actually doing this, but I know y'all have done this before. So now we're gonna just go in and just clean up. I left this one purposely a little bit higher so I can go in and fix it so you guys can see, like, clearly we can go in without concealer and fix it. Okay, so let's go.
Now we're going to go in with the concealer and we're going to make a fine line and drag that line down. And we just want to be as careful as possible. You don't want to undo all the work you just did. So let's just be very careful and let's not rush. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other eye, and as you can see, I'm connecting the line to the other eye just to make sure everything is okay and everything is leveled up. And don't worry, it's okay, you can blur out the lines after that. Now, when we're starting at the top, you want to be very careful and you just make that line and go straight down along the top of your brow, straight down. Even if you made your eyebrows too big when you did them, guys, concealer is going to wipe it all away and you can make them exactly how you want it. So that's why I said, if you feel like you made a mistake, it's okay, leave it. You can go back in and clean it up with the concealer. If you feel like it's too big, too boxy, go and curve it up with the concealer. everything works hand in hand. Don't feel frustrated, and don't feel like you have to wipe your whole brow off, your whole eyebrow off, just because you made a mistake. I used to do that. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Just continue and go and feel confident in your work. Now we're gonna take a little sponge and we're just gonna pat it in. I used the little square one just so it could get right in the eyebrow, and just pat it just so that the concealer isn't like so visible, but you know, just to blend it in. Now you see me going back in again, and I'm fixing the little imperfections I see myself. If you choose to do this step, you can do it, and you can use concealer to also help clean up if you would like.
Okay guys, these are the final brows. I went in and you know, I fixed it up, and this is with the concealer. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll be back with you guys for another video. Bye guys.
Go ahead and make it flip. I got a stack, yeah, go ahead and make it flip. And I got a bad bitch, yeah, you know I think it. Hold up. I got a stack, yeah, you know that. I got a stack, yeah, you know that I make it flip. And I got a bad bitch, yeah, she know how to take the dick. We don't do no average, yeah.
So I went in my mirror so you guys can see in a better light, in a different light, I meant.
Go ahead and make it flip. I got a stack, yeah, go ahead and make it flip. And I got a bad bitch, yeah, you know I think it. Hold up. I got a stack, yeah, you know that. I got a stack, yeah, you know that I make it flip. And I got a bad bitch, yeah, she know how to take the dick. We don't do no average, yeah, we don't do no basic shit. Cause I got a bad bitch, yeah.